Hello you all welcome back to my channel. I am Sonal and I usually create beauty related videos. So if that is something which interests you, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. और आज की वीडियो के लिए मैं रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ फ्रॉस्टेड फायरवर्क्स कलेक्शन फ्रॉम MAC Cosmetics and ever since that I have been seeing this on social media, I was like, I really want to get these products for myself and I was actually about to like buy them, and the very next day I actually received it in my mail. So ever since that I got these products, I felt like reviewing them for you all, and we have a lot of MAC products. Let me just show you. Look at that, we have a lot of products to try out. जब मैंने इसका कलेक्शन MAC Cosmetics के पेज पर देखा, इंस्टाग्राम पेज पर, तब से I have been eyeing these eyeshadows and they are so amazing. I actually use them on my eyes today as well. So this is their extra dimension foil eyeshadow. This is in the shade Spectacular. This is a beautiful silver color with warm undertones. Let me just swatch it for you all. Look at that, how pretty that looks. It's such a beautiful silver shade. We have another foil shade from MAC Cosmetics. This is in the shade Firework the Room, and it's a beautiful foil red eyeshadow shade. Let me just swatch it. As you can see, these products swatch really well and they are really beautiful. I absolutely love them. Such a beautiful eyeshadow shade. If you are someone who is like a lazy baby and you just want to like get glammed up within minutes, all you can do is just apply these eyeshadow all over your eyelids and just have a nice winged eyeliner, or just have a nice smudged eyeliner look or something of that sort, and in minutes you can just get dolled up and glammed up. Definitely this is worth a buy. I am loving it. एंड मैंने कोई भी ऐसा फॉइल शेड आज तक नहीं ट्राई किया है. ये बहुत डिफरेंट है. इट्स नॉट चंकी ग्लिटर, बट एट द सेम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इट हैज दैट ग्लैम इन इट हैज दैट स्पार्कल इन इट. सो आई लव दीज. So next up we have this eye pencil from MAC Cosmetics. This is in the shade Dark Spark and Bitter in Glitter. So we have a black eye pencil and on the other end we have a nice brown color. The days when you want to keep it subtle, you can go ahead and use the brown shade, or you can just normally use your regular black eye pencil. And this is what the swatch of the product looks like. This is the brown shade and this is how the black swatches, and they are quite nice and pigmented. They do really perform well. Glides on smoothly and बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से आप अपना winged eyeliner भी कर सकते हैं इसकी हेल्प से. So I quite liked it, and again a nice product to have. So yeah, you can try this out. Okay guys, so that was it for the eye makeup. Now moving ahead towards the lip products, I have two lipstick from MAC Cosmetics, and oh my god, how beautiful the packaging of the product is. This is so gorgeous. I mean, I would just literally buy this for the packaging itself. So we have two shades. This is My Heart Goes Boom, the one that I'm wearing. Let me just swatch this product for you all. So this is what the swatch of the lip shade looks like. It's such a beautiful fuchsia pink color. Loving it. And I have topped it up with some lip gloss, which I'm gonna be talking about later on. So next shade is Out with a Bang. This is such a beautiful maroon shade. If you have been following me for a while, then you know I love my maroon lipsticks. So again, loving this because this is that one color which looks absolutely amazing on each and every skin tone, no matter how dark or light you are. Let me just swatch this product for you all. You can see it has a little bit of sheen to it, but again I love it because it's super hydrating and super moisturizing on the lips. It will not dry your lips out whatsoever, and it is nice and pigmented as well. Also the color is really beautiful and bold, and again suits every skin tone, so I guess this is a must have as well. Lastly, I have to share my favorite product. This is the MAC Cosmetics lip glass, and let me show you the shade. This is in the shade Break the Ice. Such a beautiful shade because you can use it literally on top of any lipstick. This is how it swatches like. Such a beautiful lip gloss. I would definitely recommend you guys to try this out. You can literally top it up with any lipstick that you have, and it will give you that plumped fuller lip look and juicy lips look, and I am loving it. It's such a beautiful shade. अगर आपको glossy lips look अच्छा लगता है then you will definitely love it because this feels so nice and you know it doesn't feels heavy on the lips, so बहुत अच्छी बात है वो भी एक, और बहुत ही easily आप इसे किसी भी लिपस्टिक के साथ pair up कर सकते हैं, और बहुत hydrating moisturizing formula है इसका. It won't dry your lips out and it's super comfortable to be worn for longer period of time. Next up we have another lip gloss shade. This is in the shade Set Me Off, and this has a little bit of you know purple tone to it. Let me just swatch this product for you all. This is what it looks like. Again, the formulation is quite similar to this and I am quite liking it. I would like literally pair this lipstick and this you know lip gloss together and it will look amazing. Thing that I noticed about the lip gloss is that most of the time when I you know try out some sort of lip gloss on my lipstick, on top of my lipstick basically, तो क्या होता है कि अगर मैं ऐसा करूँ तो मेरा जो लिपस्टिक है अंदर की वो पूरी मूव हो जाती है या फिर यू नो उतनी जगह से वो निकल जाती है. लेकिन जब भी मैं ये लिप ग्लास यूज़ कर रही हूँ सो आई एम सीइंग दैट इट इज़ नॉट मूविंग. आई मीन माई लिपस्टिक इज़ नॉट मूविंग अंडरनीथ नो मैटर हाउ मेनी lip movements I make. So I am quite liking the product. I would like really suggest you guys to try it out. And yeah guys, those were all the products that I received from the newly launched collection, and I do have a few favorites. So if I would like to recommend you guys to buy a few products, then it would be this shimmery eyeshadow shade. This is their foil eyeshadow shade in the shade Spectacular. Beautiful eyeshadow shade, looks really nice and beautiful on the eyes, and it just makes your eyes look so much more you know glammed up. Another thing that I would like to recommend you all will be the lipstick. This is the maroon lipstick which is in the shade Out With a Bang, and it's a really nice lipstick because this shade will suit every single one of you, and it's a nice you know lipstick to have. I think every girl should have that one bold lipstick in her bag, and you're gonna be loving it if you just try this one out. So again, I would really recommend this product to you all. The third product obviously has to be this one right here. This is the lip gloss and this is in the shade Break the Ice. Again, super nice hydrating formula, amazing. It won't you know chap your lips out or it won't make you feel uncomfortable, and I quite like this sort of you know lipstick formulation, and I would definitely suggest you guys to try this out if you like glossy looking lips. And yeah guys, this was my short review on the Frosted Fireworks collection from MAC Cosmetics. Now I am going to be using a few of their products and just creating a look so that you get an idea of how these products actually perform, so you can continue watching the video. Basically, this is the look that I have created using the products that I showed you all. I used the shimmer shade and I also used the lipstick and the lip gloss together, and I achieved this look. I am absolutely loving how it has turned out to be, so you can continue watching. Yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. If you do, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video as much as you can, and I'll be back with more such videos. Until then, please take care. Bye.